guys, Dave's here. Well, a few months ago I was testing some stains on some pine, some poplar, some red oak. Well, this time I'm going to do it on some white oak. It's probably not going to be much difference in the red oak, but it might. And also I've got a couple different stains here that I scrounged up. I forgot about having here. So I have some different ones on this one. So let me put a tape line on here and get everything lined up, and we'll stain them. Okay, I've got me a tape line on them and everything. Got the stains lined up here. So let me get started staining. I'm not going to put no pre-stain on here. I don't think you need to do it for oak. So let me stain them and I'll get back. Okay, here they are stained and everything. So let's go over them one by one. Okay, the first one here is the steel wool and vinegar mix. It's got a nice gray look to it. Looks similar to the red oak. Now this in here is the natural stain. It's fire. This in here is the pine stain. This in here is the cherry stain. This in here is red oak. This in here is golden oak. This in here is gunstock. This is a newer stain. This is ebony, rusty odium. Got a blackish tint to it. This is Kona, or rusty odium. Nice brown tint to it. This is red mahogany. This is driftwood. This is classic gray. This is a new one. It's called aged leather. This is special walnut. And this is dark walnut. And then this in here is plain. I'm not putting nothing on it. So you can see these right here. I hope this helps somebody deciding what they want to stain the white oak. As always, thanks for watching, guys.